Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So today we're going to be unboxing a Hot Wheels 2023 Case D. This is a brand new, unopened, completely sealed. So we're just going to go ahead and bust it open. I'm really hoping to get one of these super treasure hunts, or even like the regular treasure hunt would be nice. But we'll see. So let's go ahead and start unboxing. So the super treasure hunt for this case that we really hope to get is this really nice Lotus. It's like in a beautiful red. And the regular treasure hunt for this case is a Mad Propz. Sorry if the lighting is kind of bad, but hopefully we'll get these. I can show you guys like in person. If you are wondering this, and if you guys are wondering, what I'm using as a table here is actually the factory sealed 2022 set from everything in 2022. It's a giant platform. It looks awesome and a perfect table for case unboxings. Alright, so right off the bat, I can see that there is a car that has a slight bend in it. Oh, and it's actually a really nice BMW 507. I've never seen this one before. So it's brand new, which looks really good. And then we got a Chrysler Pacifica and a head gasket. So what I'm probably going to do is pull out these cars and then just kind of show you the cool ones. Not too worried about like the generic ones. So I'm just going to go ahead and probably skip over a lot of those. Let's go ahead and pull out these next few. Oh, it does look like there is a little bit of damage. They're kind of smushed in here. Alright, so we got a few cars here. We got the Honda Super Cub, Mazda Savannah RX-7, as well as the Mercedes Unimog. Okay, well that's actually kind of convenient. We got a Hot Wheels 4 Transit van, as well as another BMW 507, and then the 1986 Toyota van. And the van we've already seen in a couple other colors, so this is a nice new color for it. Alright, so we got a Nissan Leaf, we got a Clip Rod, and then a Pagani Zonda R. Alright, and there's got a few generics right here. Nothing too exciting. Okay. So we got the Rimac right there on the top. They got a Ford Focus as well as a Dior 3. Ooh, okay. It's a nice little lineup right here. Got the McLaren Elva as well as the Corvette there on the bottom, and almost similar kind of matching gold colors with the red Honda Civic right there in the middle. And I did just change up the lighting, so hopefully that'll look a lot better. Okay, that one's kind of nice too. I've got a couple generic ones, but there in the bottom we see that Ford Mustang Mach-E. Ooh, that's one I've been excited about right there. I love the Gulf livery Hot Wheels. So right there, got the Aston Martin Vantage, which looks really good, and then a couple other generics there. But I just love that Gulf livery on that. It looks so good. All right, they brought back Snoopy, but we got the Greenwood Corvette as well as, I'm not even going to pronounce the whole name, the Thunderbird, as well as the Snoopy like sitting on the little house. So I think that's pretty cool. Okay, so we got Time of Taxi in a new color. It's like a old car that came out a while ago. They just keep making different variants of. Got generic car right there, and then we got the Armadillo from I think Buzz Lightyear. Oh, okay, we got two cars I've been really excited about. Wow, this is really awesome. So before I show you those, I just got a generic Max Steel. But these are both the Braille Racer, which doesn't really look like much right there, but then when you look up in the top corner, right there you actually see the National Federation of the Blind logo, which is really cool. And I don't know if you can tell when the light hits it, the packaging actually has Braille sticking up. Right there you can kind of see it. And I believe the Braille actually says like Twin Mill or Hot Wheel Braille Racer. But then also, Hot Wheels normally have text on the bottom. This has a lot of Braille on the bottom of the car. And you can also kind of see it on each side. There's Braille, which looks absolutely amazing. There's a little bit of Braille on the top as well. So like every side of this car and the packaging itself has Braille, which I think is so cool. Like, and it's just a generic white because if you're blind, it doesn't really matter what color the car is. But I think this is absolutely amazing. Raises awareness a little bit for people who are blind. But it also kind of shows that like you can have a collector like this that I think is just absolutely amazing. So I got 2 of those right there. I've been super excited for this to come out. And these are definitely going to my personal collection. And I really hope that they do more stuff like this in the future because I think it's just a really cool idea. But it's the end of the first half of the box. Let's go ahead and pull out the little divider and bust open the second half. Alright, they're kind of stacked in here, kind of weird. Okay, that's a good one. I've been waiting for it as well. The Nissan Skyline GTR R32. That one looks absolutely amazing. Got that Godzilla right there in the top. We got Batmobile as well as a Barbie Extra. But that Nissan Skyline looks incredible as well. So that's definitely going to my personal collection as well. Let's see here. Alright, so we got a Jeep Wagoneer as well as a custom Ford Maverick and then the Mazda RX-7. So did not get the Super, got the regular, but got the Bone Shaker, the regular version of the Lotus right there, as well as the Mazda 787B, which is like a race car, which looks really cool. But if we would have gotten a Super in the case, it would have been this one right here, which unfortunately we did not pick up the Super, but this is still a really nice casting, and that color looks really good. But maybe we'll still have an opportunity at the regular treasure hunt, but we'll see. Pull these out. Okay, so we got a Copo Camaro, as well as a Lucid Air, and then a Jeepster Commando. Okay, we got a new color on the tuned Chevy Silverado. We got it right there in green. Before we saw it in red and blue. Have a Dodge Charger Drift, and then a Hot Wheels High, just kind of a generic. Got another Bone Shaker, another Batmobile from Batman Forever, as well as a Copo Camaro. Got a Cadillac Seville, as well as another generic car, and then a Barbie Extra. The Cadillac actually looks really good. Alright, so we got another Batmobile. We got a Twin Duction, another generic, as well as the Jeep Wagoneer. Alright, got another Greenwood Corvette, another Toyota van, and then another generic car. Got another Mazda 787, Twin Duction, and the Pagani Zonda R. I really like that new Pagani Zonda as well as that Mazda. Really like race cars, so seeing like actual race cars in Hot Wheel form is always pretty cool. There we go, so we got the regular treasure hunt. Let me get that right up here on top. So we got the Mad Propz treasure hunt right there. And we also have a Ford Transit Connect and then a custom Ford Maverick. So I'm going to go ahead and set those two aside. But right there you can see the treasure hunt logo on the wingtips. And then if I don't know if I can kind of shake it around in the package here. And then kind of show you like the text on the back of the card behind the airplane there. But this one actually looks pretty cool. It's interesting seeing a treasure hunt kind of like this, but I think that's pretty awesome. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. Unfortunately, I did not get the super treasure hunt, but at least I still got the regular treasure hunt. And the final three cars. We got another Dodge Charger, another Rimac, and then another generic. So that right there was a Hot Wheels 2023 Case D. Got it right there on the front of the box. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'm thinking about doing a lot more stuff. I just did an unboxing of this box right here, which is a factory sealed. Got that right there. So if you guys want to see that video, go check that out. Have it down in the description down below as well. But yeah, I plan on doing a lot more unboxings. I do have a lot more stuff coming, a lot more Red Line Club stuff from Mattel. So definitely like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.